Amazon is primed for a fight against the New York Times. Last month, the Times published a scathing story about working conditions at the e-tailer. Now Amazon has punched back. Attorney Deborah Blum is here to put this all into perspective. Deborah, you saw the story on the New York Times about this working conditions. The question is this just a bunch of millennials kind of whining over these conditions, or does it sound like there's a legitimate case here?
Well, I think we live in a now culture, so that goes into our working environment, so you're expected to do everything right now. So it's probably true that Amazon has its employees working 24/7, but I think that's true of many employers.
Yeah. You're an attorney. I'm an attorney. You've been at law firms, and the first job you get at a law firm is 100+ hours a week sometimes. This is not new and just to a technology company.
Well, I was a public defender, and that's not always 100+ hour a week, but when you're on trial, like I am right now at my own firm, it is 100+ hour a week. So yeah, this is nothing new. I think that the Times did not necessarily report accurately, but I think there's something there to what they're saying. There is one employee who came out saying that she had cancer and a young child, and that Amazon didn't treat her fairly.
But you can get, this is a big company, you can get that at any company. There's going to be somebody who says they weren't treated fairly, and maybe they weren't, but just because of a manager, not necessarily because of a culture.
Well, I do think that the nature of Amazon itself, everybody is demanding the product right away. They have
Under
Amazon Prime. You know, you get it in 2 days. So everything has to be done immediately. So people are working 24/7. There's constant promotion of Amazon. So there probably is something there.
Amazon has hired Jay Carney, the former speaker, not the former speaker, the former press secretary for President Obama. What is Amazon saying?
Well, Amazon is saying that New York Times did not report accurately. And this is not the first time that the New York Times has been accused of that. They had this issue with the whole Hillary Clinton email scandal. They oftentimes do not report accurately about the Middle East. Oftentimes they will point a finger incorrectly at the state of Israel when Israel should not be blamed. So
okay, well, that's an opinion about the New York Times, certainly.
Well, it's not an opinion.
But the Times itself will defend itself, saying its coverage has been fair.
The Times will defend itself. They have their own editor, a public editor who monitors things, and she actually said they're being too tough and biased against Amazon like they are against the state of Israel.
Meantime, Amazon also filed suit against 100 individuals and companies, I understand, today for writing fake reviews.
That's true. Amazon is a major corporation with many attorneys like yourself and I. They have many attorneys that work there, and they're trying to stop fake ads. So the people who sell their goods on Amazon are hiring people to write fake reviews. And they're going after those people who are writing fake reviews.
This is not new, though. When Amazon launched was just a bookseller, there was complaints that the publishers were hiring people to write fake reviews.
Yes, this is nothing new. I mean, it happens on Yelp here in New York City. A lot of people rely on Yelp, and different companies or different businesses hire people to boost their reviews and write positive reviews. So this is something that's very common. It's happening through a website called Fiverr, where they post jobs that are $5 or more, where people could write these reviews. But people are very crafty.
So we could get paid for writing good reviews?
Yes, we could. And then we would be sued by Amazon.
All right, well, you have to put a little slush fund away for the lawyers.
Yes, and Amazon has tremendous resources, so I would not want to be in pursuit by Amazon.
Okay, Deborah, thank you very much. Good
Thank
analysis.
you.
Coming up, movie theaters take on Netflix, but they may find the